The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI has issued a warning to the government of India. They have urged the government not to rush into extending the suspension of operations through agreement with the Chin-Kuki narco-terrorist groups. COCOMI emphasizes that thorough security and reassessment should be conducted before any decisions are made. In a letter to PM Modi, the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI emphasized the need for urgent caution regarding the extension of the suspension of operation in Manipur. As the expiry date of the SoO pact with Chin-Kuki narco-terrorist groups approached on February 28, 2024, we are compelled to express our deep concerns. Despite numerous extensions since 2008 under the guise of the political dialogue, progress in the peace process remains elusive. Furthermore, there have been repeated and flagrant violations of the agreement's ground rules, exacerbating the already volatile situation in Manipur. Recent escalations of violence in Manipur have provided stark evidence of the direct involvement of Kuki militant groups in targeted attacks against the Indian Army and state police personnel. This reality underscores the urgent need for caution and re-evaluation of any decisions regarding the extension of the SoO agreement, the latter stated. Furthermore, the COCOMI urged the government of India to exercise extreme caution and refrain from hastily extending the SoO agreement with Chin-Kuki narco-terrorist groups without thorough scrutiny and reassessment. The joint body of Meitei civil society organizations also asks the center to take immediate and decisive action to address the SoO ground rule violations and illegal activities perpetrated by these groups and prioritize the safety and security of the indigenous people of Manipur above all other considerations in any decision-making process. The COCOMI also claimed that the continued engagement with and legitimization of armed Chin-Kuki narco-terrorist groups by the government of India not only violates the fundamental rights of indigenous Meitei citizens, but also risks legitimizing their presence in Manipur. The decision by the Manipur government to withdraw from the SoO agreement and declare Chin-Kuki armed groups as terrorists on March 10, 2023 underscores the gravity of the situation and warrants careful consideration, stated the latter.
The 26th of February 2024, I, on behalf of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, is today in New Delhi submitting an urgent representation from Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity to the Honorable Prime Minister of India regarding the extension of suspension of operation in Manipur. And we have mentioned the subject that this letter is an urgent caution regarding the suspension of operation in Manipur, and as the suspension of operation agreement is likely to expire on the 29th of February, that is after 3 days, we are looking forward to the Honorable Prime Minister to take up certain decisions that it should not be extended at any cost, because we have submitted a list of incidents where the suspension of operations ground rules are being completely violated by the signatory groups from the Kuki militants organization, and therefore we have appealed that the recent violence that's happening in Manipur is being primarily caused by several actors of the armed cadres belonging to the suspension of operation groups, and we have submitted this memorandum today to the Prime Minister's office for an urgent initiative to be taken up by the Government of India.